Hello everyone, I am Deepashri Patil, roll number 58. Our Java project is to find all pairs of elements in an array whose sum is equal to a specified number. So let's understand the given project.
Myself, Gaurav Pawar. My roll number is 60. Firstly, we have to declare an array of n integers and a number named as sum. The task is to find the number of pairs of integers in given array whose sum is equal to the declared variable sum.
Myself Chetan Dhangar, my roll number is 57. A simple solution is to traverse each element and check if there's another number in array which can be added to it given sum. This can be achieved by nested loops.
So let's see an example of how input will be traversed. In the first case, there are 4 elements in an array, required sum is 6. As there are 2 pairs of elements in given input, 1, 5 and 7 minus 1. Output will be count of pairs, so output will be 2. Illustrating the given example, firstly, our count is 0. It will store the number of pairs which get us to our value of sum. So first iteration, consider the index 0. At index 0, 1 is present. For getting sum equal to 6, 5 should be the number to add and it is present in the array. So count equal to 1. For second iteration, consider the index 1. At index 1, 5 is present. But we have already considered, so skipping it and moving ahead. For third iteration, index 2. At index 2, 7 is present. We need minus 1 to add in 7 to get the sum equal to 6. Minus 1 is present in the array. That's why count equal to 2. Fourth iteration, index 3. Minus 1 is already considered. So skipping it and moving ahead. So we get our count equal to 2. Hence the output is 2.
Myself, Nain Patil. My roll number is 59. We have two steps to solve the given problem. Step first is the initialize the count variable with 0, which stores the result. And second step is iterate the ARR. And if the sum of ith and jth element is equal to sum, the ARR of I plus ARR of j is equal to sum. Then increment the count variable. And the last step is we return the count.
Hello friends, I am Jayesh Sonavne, roll number 56. Let's see the code. First we import the java.util.scanner. In the public class find, in the main method, we declare the integer variable n and sum. First we take the input from the user, the number of elements user want to insert, and we store it in the n variable. Before that we declare the object of scanner class, and after that we declare the array of size n, and after that we take the input from elements from the user, and then we loop from I is equal to 0 to n, and we store the elements in the array of I and iterate it up to n, and after that we display the elements of the array, and after that we take the sum whose user want to find pairs, where we store it into the sum variable, and in the method name as get pairs count we pass the array and sum. Let's see the method. The static method, static void get pairs count, where we pass the array and sum. First we initializes integer count as a 0, and after that we we use the for loop for I is equal to 0 to array dot length. Here we use n also, but here we use the array dot length, which give us the size of the array. And inner loop we take the j initializes as a I plus 1 and up to the array dot length. If array of I plus array of j is equal to sum, then count plus plus we iterate up to the array dot length. Means two adjacent elements have the sum is equal to the sum, then we increase the count, and finally we return the count and print it. Count of pairs is %. Let's see the output of this code. First we take our first enter the number of elements you want to insert. Suppose we want to insert 5 elements, and after that we enter the 5 elements. Array of elements are 1 2 3 4 5, and enter the sum whose you want to find pairs. Suppose we want to find the pair of 5. Let's see. how many pairs there are. The count of pair is 2. Let's look at the 1 and 4. The sum is 5, and 2 and 3. There are 2 pairs, 1 and 4 and 2 and 3. Thank you friends.